What up, guys? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Now let's all go get our freebies. Basically, if you can't tell from the title, this is just a list of birthday freebies that I personally get every year. I'm going to name my favorite ones and the ones that apply to me here in Kentucky. There's a list that I found online probably a year or two ago with over 200 plus places where you can get free food, free goodies, free treats, and they don't apply to me because I'm not in those states where they have those places. But I will link those in the description. But I have my YouTube journal here and I'm going to share my favorite ones with you guys. The first one that I put down, Denny's. I always start my birthday off with breakfast. And if you just show your ID telling them it's your birthday, you get a free Grand Slam, which is like pancakes, eggs, bacon, sausage. Yeah, it's like quite a few things. Next is Sephora. If you are a member, you get a free birthday gift every year. Most Sephoras give you a choice. Last year I picked a lip kit with a lipstick and a lip liner. They had a face mask, a little perfume. They're sample size, but they're free. And if there's more than one Sephora in your area, you can get more than one gift. We have 3 Sephoras here where I live, and I went to all 3 so I could get the 3 options. Yeah, it works. They don't care. It's your birthday. They're not going to tell you no. Next is Avita. If you guys have an Avita, just go in there and smell it one time. I promise you will be back. But last year they gave away a free incense, like, what are those things called? You like dab them on your head or on your wrist. Essential oils. That's what it is. They gave away essential oils. You got to choose like between 6 of them. They're pretty good size. They're like this big, and it comes with a piece of paper that tells you where to dot them. But that one is required sign up. So if you sign up for that, just send it to a random email and they'll send you a birthday coupon like code and they type it in. I have an email that is only for birthday stuff. Like it's a Yahoo email that I don't use. I check it only in June when it's my birthday. So some of these, if you sign up now, you don't have to worry about it when it gets close to your birthday. You'll have your birthday coupon. Go for it. It's worth it. Ulta, for my beauty fans, they do a free gift every year. Some of them require sign up, some of them don't. I am an Ulta member because you get points, so you might as well. But I would sign up just to be safe, get your free gift. Last year was a highlight, a full-size highlight. It was not no trial size. It was a good, decent, compact highlight. It was like champagne colored, I believe. I'm not sure if they post what it is like beforehand, but it's free. So go get it. Next, let's say it's about lunchtime. You've been going around getting free goodies. Just head to Cracker Barrel and get a free dessert. No sign up, no required ID showing. Just tell them it's your birthday and they'll bring you and most likely sing to you too, so be ready. This one is a hit. I personally don't like fruit, but I'm never alone on my birthday. So edible arrangements, if you sign up, you get a free 12 box of dipped fruit. I'm not sure if you get to customize it. I didn't participate in this one last year because I didn't sign up beforehand. I just saw it and was like, that's not a bad deal, you feel me? So if you guys love fruit, edible arrangements. Next, I've heard about the hype at Hooters. Me personally, never tried it, which is weird because I love wings. But that's besides the point. Hooters, if you sign up, you get a free thing of wings on your birthday. Just show up. IHOP is actually a deal breaker because you get a free meal when you sign up for IHOP Rewards, then you get another free meal on your birthday. So if you got multiple emails, you're going to be eating free IHOP all the time, is what I'm hearing. Another food place that I absolutely love going on my birthday is the Cheesecake Factory. It's weird that they don't give you a free piece of cheesecake on your birthday, but you get a free sundae and they like top it and sing to you and write happy birthday and everything. It's real cute and it's actually pretty good. For someone who loves ice cream, I know. So go get you a free sundae from the Cheesecake Factory. Another one to start your morning off, you can go to Dutch Bros Coffee. You don't need to sign up for anything, no commitment. Just show them your ID and they'll give you a free coffee of your choice the morning of your birthday. If you are like me, you celebrate your birthday more than just the day of your birthday. And some of these places are only on your birthday, like if you show your ID. So you're going to be so busy running around, you're going to go forget to get your brows arched for free from Benefit. That's why they give you the entire week to use it. You just show up with your ID. You don't need to sign up or commit to anything with them. But yes, go get your eyebrows slayed, honey. If you sign up for Baskin Robbins, you get a free mini scoop, which it's actually really tiny. It's really small, but it was so good. I got birthday cake flavored ice cream last year, and you could go to more than one Baskin Robbins. Like, I passed like 6 on the way to the other mall, so I got 3 scoops of mini ice cream last year. No shame. Last but not least, to finish off my top favorites of the list, was the Firehouse Subs. I think it's called Firehouse Subs. I never had it before until I went on my birthday. It was so good. I got like a chicken teriyaki meal. It was like Philly. I'm gonna get hungry just thinking about it, so we're not gonna talk about it. But they were delicious. They were free, and they gave me chips, drinks, and a cookie. So you got an entire meal just for telling me it was your birthday. They didn't ID me or anything. Didn't sign up. So go get you guys some free food, okay? That wraps up my list. I just wanted to share a few with you guys. A lot of them that don't require a sign up, and then the ones that do require sign up, just go ahead and sign up now so you'll have the email just sitting there and ready when your birthday does come around. But I wanted to do this now. It's wrapping up the end of the year. Everyone's about to have a birthday coming up, so you might as well take advantage of it. Be prepared. In the description below, I listed probably 200 plus restaurants and stores that give you free products and services. There's also some that you sign up for online. They'll mail you a gift. So just take advantage of it. Like, live your best life. No one can tell you nothing, okay? Okay. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite thing, or if you have any birthday freebie go-tos that you want to share, because your girl is down. I will make the trip, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.